The most common cause of this issue in a kitchen sink, when you fill up your water, you're cleaning your dishes, so on and so forth, you have this left over, this water here. It puddles up around the drain. And I'm going to tell you that this is one of the biggest handyman calls I get. Customer goes out and buys a new drain, okay? Right now we're on a job, so went out and got this. Doesn't look new to me. Could have been used, or maybe he just took it apart to try to fix it. But it comes with a washer, okay? Now the washer, I can guarantee, is on the top side of the sink. It should be on the bottom side. And you're supposed to put plumber's putty in here. And I'm going to demonstrate how you do this for someone out there that's looking to fix this problem, okay? Okay, stay tuned. I'm going to go down and disconnect it. We're going to take a quick look at this, okay? Okay, loosen this up, and there we go. There's the washer. I got a little bucket down here to catch the water. This washer is put in the wrong position. This is supposed to be on the underside of the sink, and you're supposed to put plumber's putty around here. And I will demonstrate how we do this, okay? So, you want to get yourself a paper towel. You want to take this up. You want to dry this all off here, like this. Okay? Clean it up. Make it a nice dry surface. Okay? Put that right there. Okay? Now what we'll do is, we got some stain-free plumber's putty. Purchased this at Home Depot. It's cheap. It's like maybe $5 or $6 for this. Can't remember. I keep it in my bag here. Husky bag with all my plumbing, light plumbing work I do. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to open this up. This was left over from another job, okay? You're going to grab some. All right, it's almost like the Play-Doh growing up. Okay? Grab a nice clump of it. Put that aside. You want to work it up a little bit in your fingers, okay? And what I like to do, it's a clean surface. You want to roll it. You want to roll it like a snake, okay? You want to make a nice size snake, like a nice bead here. I'm going to bring this over. Okay, we need a little bit more. So I'll add a little bit more here. We'll roll this out. Okay. Take your time doing this. It's not a big deal. You want to bring it all the way around. Okay, and you want to kind of push it in place like this. Not too hard, because when we reinstall this and we tighten it, it's going to squeeze out, and I'll show you how that works, okay? Okay, we got that done. We're going to take this washer here. Always have paper towels with you on the job. Don't use customers, you know what I mean? Bring in a roll of paper towel from the truck, trailer, or whatever you got out there. Dry this washer up. Get all the the crap off of it. Okay, come over here. You want to kind of wipe and clean out your little area here on the bottom of the sink. Okay. Okay. Make it nice and clean, as clean as you can get it. Okay. We're going to take the drain piece that we put the plumber's putty in. We're going to lay it right in place here. Okay. Give it a little push, get it started. Okay. Push it down. You can see the plumber's putty all coming out. Okay. Give it a head start. And when I tighten it, when I get it down in there and tighten the bolt underneath, it'll come out even more. So keep an eye on this, and I'm going to reattach the bottom. Okay. So you tighten it down as tight as you can get it, okay? You'll see it all come out here, and all you want to do is just clean this up. Take this out. You want to make sure it's centered. Okay. Take the rest of this out. Okay. Grab yourself a little paper towel. You want to wipe the edges. Okay. I like to try to get it as clean as possible. You want to run your nail in there, fingernail, just to get it out. Okay. All right, let me finish the hookup underneath, and I'll be right back with you. All right, so it's installed, cleaned out all the putty, plumber's putty. And what you do then, before you finish and leave, is you want to put your stopper in, okay? You want to run the water. You want to fill this up. That's more than enough. And you just want to go underneath, and you want to look for leaks. Feel around the top drain with your hand. It's nice and dry. Look at all the elbows and stuff. Make sure those are not leaking. Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pull this out, and we're going to watch this water. Let's make sure we don't have that buildup like we had before. Okay, it's draining. I can still see the water draining, which is good. Yeah, and it's still going. I can see it going down because it's got the pitch. Doesn't have that washer sitting this piece up high, and all this water here is running down, so you don't have that buildup. Okay? And that's it. That's all she wrote. So if you're having that problem where you have the buildup, and it's all draining now, there's really nothing left. This will just dry out. I can see it's all drying out over here. Most likely your washer's on the wrong side. Take it apart. You can see it's all draining here too. So eventually this will all be gone. You won't have that puddle, and if you're washing dishes or you rinse out a cup of coffee, you get the brown ring. It looks like crap. So that's it. Check your washer. Go get yourself some plumber's putty right here. Okay, roll it like I showed you, tighten it up nice and tight, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.